Why is everybody drunk? I'm the only one that's sober here.
Right, doubt it.
Huh? There is a car coming.
Yep.
It's a taxi.
Uh-huh.
A Peugeot taxi.
Yep. With a pack.
So that was the birds and the bees.
It was.
That was pretty good. Last year it was the Western Arms. Well, we went to was it an Indian? Aye, Indian. Western Arms was nice. So what the hell's going on here? They've got these stupid ramps up here. They've went and messed up the road. The thing is, when they do all these repairs, they actually cost money and they make things worse. It's incredible. This bit up here, it's like a kind of ramp thing or something. Because you used to drive straight through here.
It used to be a normal road.
So now they've changed it to, you know, like it used to be that you'd have to give way if you were coming the other way. Some twat has got paid for designing this, and I think they should be jailed. Oh look, we've got another one. Look at it. It's actually causing pollution. That's what it's doing.
Accidents, damage,
Accidents.
trouble.
I mean, look at it. It's got these stupid things there. Like, it's really is. I don't know what's happening to. Our country's been ruined by numpties. That's what's happening. Without a doubt. It's all been ruined by numpties. Stirling no, that's not Stirling Castle. Yeah. So along here we've got bike lanes. We've got these bits that jut out into the middle of the road to make the road narrower. You can't defy the laws of physics. Stirling Council can. And who would want to buy a house here? You'd be nuts. Where does it start? It starts up there. Right there. No, it hasn't started yet. That's the thing, it costs millions. And it doesn't even go right along this road. It's like a half-arsed, half-baked, complete and utter waste of money, would be my description. There it is there. That's the bike lane there. God. I wonder how much that actually cost. Be interesting to find out.
I wonder how much it's cost the values of those properties.
Well, cyclists wouldn't be able to afford to buy a house there, would they? So there it goes there. That's the end of it there. They had a cone on there for about a year because they couldn't really figure out how to finish it. Now where's the bike lane now? Where's the...
Across the road.
Oh, is it? Oh, they go over that other bridge. customs roundabout. So that was the bike lane. Wasting millions. And that's Wallace Monument up there. That's it there. Wallace Monument. The nightlife's at Tesco. Doesn't seem to be any boy racers about tonight, or girl racers.
There were two in front of us.
I'm surprised they've got the lights on here. Must be costing a lot of money. Craig's roundabout. This is my great grandmother lived right here. And they built a freaking roundabout on it. On the house. And now they're trying to dismantle everything by putting bike lanes on it. After building the infrastructure, they're going to take it off us. Because most people are so short-sighted and selfish and daft. This is Linden Avenue roundabout, and we're going to get a housing scheme here. Affordable housing for I can't say.
Immigrants.
Emergence. Emergence sounds better. We've got some emergence appearing. Well, I think that's enough of that. I'm starting to feel ill.